This is the last time you guys are gonna hear my exhaust sound like this. Today we are installing the AWE Touring Edition exhaust for the Audi S5. I'm excited, man, I'm excited. I can't wait to hear how this exhaust sounds on this car. Coming straight out of the factory, these cars sound okay with the stock exhaust and the stock downpipe, but definitely with this AWE exhaust, it's gonna be a dramatic difference, and I just can't wait to hear it. I'm headed over to DJ shop right now where we're gonna do an unboxing of the exhaust and an installation. So come on, let's go. All right, we're over here at DJ shop now, DJ's Mufflers.
How you doing? This is DJ's Mufflers here in Owings, Maryland, 7665 Investment Court, Owings, Maryland. Phone number is 443-550-3312. We custom do exhaust from Pintos to Lamborghinis, you name it, bring it on by. Custom bent all my own pipe. Got a 3-inch bend up to 3-inch pipe, 1.5-inch, 3-inch pipe. Flow master, magnet flows. If you want boiler or whatever, just bring it up to me.
Hey now.
It's a free thing they sent.
You know you gotta give up the stickers to us. Muffler. Yellow muffler. I don't know what this is.
Equipped with the blow pop.
Good old blow pop in the box.
Yeah, it's in there. Yeah.
The reason they put that blow pop in that box is because they're saying sucker.
There are the tips, just so you guys can see. Black tips right there. This is the free pack that Euro Tuning has sent. Whenever you purchase anything off their website, they send you a free swag pack. It has a license plate holder, a lanyard, a few stickers, and an air freshener. There's a stock exhaust, all OEM. Let's get this thing installed.
And that's how a muffler comes off. And that's how it's done. That's fine. Beautiful. You know, you're at a factory or something, you buy these pre-bent systems. Sometimes they drop one of these pieces on the ground and kink this, bend it down, and then you're stuck. You know, but this is a good system. Nice system. 180 technology. These are for people that don't mind spending money and have a nice ride. All right, so we're gonna have to fab two pieces. Two pieces of metal up in here. We took that sleeve clamp out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put two pieces of metal right here to go with two couplings here and weld them together. mufflers.
And we had a lot of lists. Why is America boring?
Audi S5. Hit it again. Hit it one time. All right.
Sounds awesome. Sounds amazing.
What's up, Rick?
You go drive it around real quick.
All right, the exhaust is all installed now. It sounds amazing. Thank
Amazing.
you. So good.
You ever need anything? DJ's Mufflers, Owings, Maryland.
Yes, sir.
443-550-3312. We do them all.
Thank you so much, DJ.
Thank you, man. Have a great one.
All right.
Appreciate you, man.
Matongi's on the beat. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch. I'm the definition of a bad bitch. I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. I'm the definition of a bad bitch.
That's pretty much the video, man. If you guys did enjoy, please like the video and subscribe if you're not already, so you guys can continue to follow my build and this journey for the Audi S5. The Audi is nowhere near completed, so just stay tuned. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the AWE Touring catback exhaust. It's been your boy, and I'll see you in the next one.
He owe me $20. We gon' run through hell with like 100 choppers. We gon' give him hell when I put that on my mama.